going on, everybody? Annyeonghaseyo. This is Zeke in Korea, back again for another video, and I'm currently on summer vacation, which is nice. I decided to come back to Busan for 4 days. Head over to Subway, and I'm going to introduce you guys to a very easy sandwich. These beloved Subway sandwich makers to make, and to be happy with a customer who's not that picky about wanting to have green peppers and onions and tomatoes and the whole works on a sandwich is just, I think it's just so ridiculous. You'll notice that if you ever go to Subway and you're stuck in a line and you're seeing somebody who's spending maybe 15 minutes on just deciding what things they want on their sandwich, or maybe they're getting a bunch of sandwiches for other people, and it can take such a long time. So, you know, it's just, I'm not that kind of a pig-headed person, and I like to have a sandwich quickly made and also easy for digestion, right? Let's go on inside and look at my sandwich made here, and I'll show you how to cook this. What have you done? Annyeonghaseyo. Already here. Here's the menu, but I know what I want. There's my spicy Italian, but I'm not picky about, here we are, there's green peppers and red peppers or whatever. Hi, I'll get a foot-long spicy Italian. Parmesan oregano. Alrighty, so just try it like that. It's not so busy in here. And of course, there's your choice of cookies. So you got oatmeal raisin, raspberry cheesecake, white chocolate macadamia, double chocolate chip, and the classic chocolate chip. So they are fully loaded. All the cookies. It looks pretty good. See? And you'll see all the choices of vegetables, you know, lettuce and pickles and olives and peppers and onions. It's just, I'm not picky about this stuff. I mean, give me a break. I mean, it's just, you can imagine how long that takes to digest, everybody. So after my sandwich has been heated in the oven, I'll show you what comes next. There we are. So it's cut up. It's good. Lettuce. And just to say that's the only vegetable I want in my sandwich. Honey mustard. Yeah. So honey mustard. And mayonnaise. And there it is, everybody. So that's my simple sandwich. That's it. That's it. Thank you. So how long will that take? 2 minutes and 23 seconds. All right, because I'm just going to eat half and then head to the gym and get going here, everybody. So can you imagine? Can you imagine if you create your own easy sandwich, maybe similar to mine, maybe more easier than mine, and having your sandwich made in less than 2.5 minutes. So it makes a world of a difference when it comes to timing. So I'm going to enjoy this, and after I'm going to, well, I should taste test it. Good. So after I finish my sandwich, I'm going to hit the gym. So, hope you guys like this video. And see you guys in the next video.